And welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this flameless LED candles. So these are a pack of 3 and they got the little birch bark look to them. Slide this out here. Ah, look at that. That is pretty cool. Like kind of a little neat design on there. Okay, this comes with a remote as well, instructions. Okay, and they have a little battery thing on the bottom here. And these two AA batteries, I just so happen to have a few here. Let's see, 2, 4, 5. Oh, 6 AA batteries. Amazon Basics, of course. Love these batteries. I use them all the time. There's those 2. Already lights coming on there a little bit. That's cool. There's the next one. Little light on there. All right. Have like a waxy feel to them, even though I think they're just plastic, but has a nice little glow there. Okay, so those are already lighting up there, and then we can check out our little remote as well. Pull that out, and we can turn them off, turn them on. Then it has a 2, 4, 6, and 8-hour timer on there. Candle mode. And then light mode. So it looks like candle mode. It's like switching on and flickering a little bit, kind of going in and out. That's cool. And then we can do it brighter. And then dimmer. Okay. I'm gonna hit the lights real quick and we'll see how bright these are in the dark here. Okay, so we can see the little glow of the candles there. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's coming through the side here as well. So it looks actually kind of like just like a little candle there burning. Pretty elegant looking. And of course, you don't have the danger of having an open flame or the smoke or anything like that. You just have a nice, like a candle atmosphere. Without the harmful effects or the possibilities of a candle that can be harmful. So that is cool. Let's switch it back to the light there so it's not flickering. But they put out a decent amount of light, kind of like a little romantic glow. All right, these also have a little switch here on the bottom, and you can just switch that off if you want. So off and on. Yeah, just a nice little candle here, my friends. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.